Okay, I have decided to risk insanity by showing you how to size this bracelet. I've done it twice and gone nearly insane. In fact, I have gone insane. I'm just going to quickly go through the items that you will need. It's just a ball, and you'll see why we need it later. It costs $1 from Dollar Tree. This thing has a weird name. It's called a pin punch. This is a pair of 2X reading glasses that I am going to put on my head right now so I can see a little better. This here is called a Bergeon tool. It is $20. I'll give you a link. I'll give you links to everything, okay? I don't want to go crazy on the equipment. This is just a headlamp to give me some light. I'm going to put this on my head now. Okay, this is $20. I know that the light that I'm shining on the watch might be a little off-putting, but you know, I need it. And okay. Oh, one other thing. This is the most important thing, is the vinyl glove, because this will keep the bracelet from the individual link from slipping out of your hand. I can't tell you how much you'll need this. Now, all we're going to do is just remove a link and put it back in. That's all we're doing. And we're not even going to do a hard one. The hardest link is the last ones here. This and this. We're not going to do that because I don't want to do 100 takes. Okay? I just want to do maybe a few and not go totally mad. Okay. So what we're going to do then, now these links use spring bars, and I'll show you. It's weird, but I'll show you. Most bracelets don't use spring bars. They use other things to bind the links together. But we're going to show you I am going to show you how to do it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is get a good position. I think we're going to pull this. I think this one looks like no, let's do this one. Okay. We're gonna pull this one out. Now what we're going to do, put this in the hole, and we're going to be gentle. We're going to be really gentle so we don't destroy anything, because this is a $500 watch. Okay, so we're going to push it in very gently, and as we are pushing out, we're going to pry the links apart very, very gently. We're not going to apply a lot of force, just a little, and with a little luck, this will have come out. Okay. And the link is still, not the link, the spring bar is still in here, so we're just going to push it out. Okay, so again, I'm going to put the spring bar in the ball so I don't lose it. Now, you know, I'll pull another one out, just so, and I'll hope we get a better view. Not sure if we've got a good angle on that here. Pushing it in. Now I'm gonna pry it. Well, while it's coming out, I'm gonna just pry it a little bit. It didn't work. That's okay. Now it's okay if you don't get it. The important thing is to be gentle. Okay. Now I'm applying gentle pressure as I'm pulling it out. And I just pulled it out and I got it. Okay? You do not want to damage this. I don't know about you, but I don't have $500. It's a lot of money to me. Okay. Yeah, I missed it. Okay, I got it in. Now I'm going to put the other one in. I'm doing the work from behind, from the back of the bracelet instead of in front, because I do not want to scratch the front of the bracelet. If I scratch the back, it's not a huge deal. No. Again. It's a miracle. Okay. I'm going to put it on my wrist to see how it feels. Put this on. I had loosened it a little bit from my original sizing. I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist. I took out 4 links. I did it from both sides. And I'll just tell you one thing about this bracelet that's a little funky, is that I'll say that the bottom end of the bracelet is considerably longer, if you can see, than the top end. So the bottom is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The bottom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I originally, now it's balanced. I took out 2 links from each side, but originally I took 3 links out of the bottom because it was so much longer. But I then decided to just balance it. I don't think it even made a difference, but whatever. Okay, I hope this helps you. So that's all.